What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a Trias update here in just a second. For those of you guys who don't know, first and foremost, I have launched a private Discord channel. If you guys have interest in that, I've got a link below this video. I'm offering 3 days of a free trial. So if you guys want to click the link, hop in there, you guys will get three days free. If you don't like it, get out, no charge, no harm, no foul. Guys, I'm also not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So don't blindly follow anything I say or do. Now let's hop into Trias. For all you Trias fans who are holding through this dip, I hate to tell you this, but my bias keeps dipping further and further. At this point, I am now seeing us going down to at least $4.22. Let me get into that detail here in just a minute. Let's look at the macro first. So the macro on Trias still remains the same for me. It has not changed yet. I still remain macro bullish on Trias, meaning this is a one wave here, and then we have an A, B, C, and that will be a two wave, and then we will have a three wave up to over $200 in my opinion. Let's hop into the micro real quick so I can show you how I'm seeing this wave unfold. So as of right now, I have got this final fifth wave really starting to extend a lot deeper than I originally thought it would. But basically the way I've got that is this white count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the fifth wave down, 1, 2, 3. Where are we at? Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got our 1, 2, 3, possibly here, 4, 5, which will finish that smaller micro count around 456 or so, and then a bounce at there, and then I believe we will have one more, hopefully just one more, fifth wave down to finish our fifth wave and to finish our C at 422. That's how I see this right now. If you guys have been following my charts and following my videos on Twitter or anywhere else, you guys will know that this price target keeps decreasing. For those of you who don't know, my bias and my technical analysis is based off of Elliott wave structure. And as price action unfolds, my technical analysis either can continue to go into a deeper direction, or if I see something, here that looks bullish or that looks impulsive, then I would, say that the bottom could potentially be in here. So my point is that even though, I previously said the, 550 to 450 was, my target. Well, as price actions unfolded and it still looks, to be impulsive in a downward direction, unfortunately, my price targets keep going down. So what I'll be looking for at some point in order to determine where the bottom is once this stops, I'll be looking for an impulsive wave. Meaning I'll be looking for price action to do something like this, where it creates a 5-wave structure upwards in a bullish direction. So in order for me to change my bias, this is what I'm going to need to see. I'm going to need to see price do 5 waves up, and I'm going to need it to do 3 waves down and hold anywhere from 618 to 786 retracement level in order for me to flip my bias into saying, okay, now I am looking at this trend being reversed and this potentially being bullish. So what would have to happen from this point is we would have to end up breaking to confirm it, we would have to end up breaking that high right there. Once this type of price action happens, that is when I will finally say that the bottom is in. Unfortunately, as of right now, all the price action that I'm seeing is corrective when it bounces. So these moves, like here, for example, is still moving in a corrective pattern. So you still have an A, which could be a 5-wave impulse up, but then you have a 3-wave structure down and then a C up. So that whole entire structure is still corrective, meaning that that action is going against the trend. Therefore, the trend is down. So we do not want to see a corrective move while the trend is down, because that means that price is going to be going against the trend and we will resume downwards action. So again, we want to see a 5-wave impulse up and then a corrective wave down, and then it to hold in order for us to assume and to validate that we are now in a potential bullish trend in an upwards direction. So sorry for the bad news, guys, but that's ultimately what I see for right now. And we'll keep this updated. See ya.